Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What is up, everyone? Right now it is raining out. It's been raining all night and it's supposed to flash freeze this afternoon, so I'm on my way to work. I've already fueled up. I have a full tank of fuel. Yeah, you guys will probably see the ride home because right now it's slick. Some of the roads are pretty slick. This main road's okay. The side roads are definitely slick. Parking lots like that, woo, going into any parking lots right now, oh god, it's fun. You just go and you automatically slide. But it's going to be interesting tonight on the Navi to get home. So yeah, let's get to it. That's right now, guys. Tonight, boom. So this is snow we're dealing with today, guys. It's a blizzard. Shit.
Fucking talking.
Oh god, it's snowy out, guys. Woo! Oh my, look at this snow drift. She's a messy out, guys. She's slick too. I'll try to keep the lens clean, that's for sure. Because if I'm wiping out, it's going to be a good one. That's for sure. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, Tipsy's already made it pretty far. Whoa. Good old blizzard. Gotta go grocery store too. Oh, this is glare ice that I'm on right now. Oh, completely, utterly. Whoa, sideways. Woo! Oh god, blizzard. Woo! Oh god, I can't see nothing. Really, honestly, can't see nothing. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a telephone post. Telephone post. Not too shabby out today. Just a nice little day for good day. Good day for a ride. Ooh. Oh, should have had my visor down. There we go. Legs are... Whoa. I got a little slick there for a second. Look at this. I don't know if this makes... Oh, I can't. It's a whiteout. Whoa. She's icy. The wind is literally making my bike slide. Oh, snowplow! The heck? Snowplowed roads. Whoa! She's a slick. I don't like snowplowed roads. Woo! She's definitely awesome out. I love this stuff. Could you imagine me out on the Honda VTX right now? No. That's why I bought a Navi. Yes, I know it's going to get rusty. It's going to get rusty, salty, rusty salt. I know. I don't mind. I knew that buying the Navi. Whoa! Whoa! That is slick. That's like ice. Oh, this is one of the worst roads to be riding in the snow because of the slope. That wind is freaking brutal. We're supposed to get some crazy snow the next couple days. Some crazy weather. Today is like Christmas Eve. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, that's some deep snow. Yep. Oh, snow drifts. The little Navi that can. Oh. The tunnel of needles. Whoa. Oh. Oh, got visor open, can't see. Woo! No tire tracks. This stuff's great. Oh, right here. Just give her. Might as well. I don't know why it must go to no frills tonight. Woo! Whoa! In the rut, almost in the ditch. Whoa! Not too shabby. I gotta say, the conditions are crap. That is 100% sure. But it's fun, because there's always a chance of wiping out. Oh, like right here. Oh! Too hot in my visor. Damn. In my visor, in my helmet. And I need some time with my helmet open. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, oh. That was some, deep snow patches, guys. Okay. We got her going. Don't worry. You don't have to come out. We're good. Okay, on the go again. Here's some snowdrift. I see, I see. I can feel the icy. So, who's taking their Navi out or other bikes out? If you haven't, you should try it. But if you wipe out, it's not my fault. Oh, this is pretty clear right here. That's a surprise. Icy. Oh yeah, that's ice. Isn't this beautiful? Like, just look at the mist open the road, open over the road. Whoa, those little snow patches like this one, some of them throw ya. Oh, like this one. We made it, and we didn't wipe out. I was ready to say wipe out when I went down. Okay. Woo! Ah, bloody snow. Yeah, not too shabby. Oh yeah, this is too much weight on my handlebars. I'm gonna hit a snowdrift and definitely go down and smush my bread and hamburgers and all kinds of others. Oh, whoa. Okay, let's not go down. That wind too. Whew. I love it though. This is great. Riding in a blizzard. I wish it was like daylight. Oh, whoa. Daylight out. That would have been better. But this is still cool. Wish it was a longer video and I didn't have to go make supper for the Pam Jam. I'd be able to keep riding. Got the whole bike slide. Oh, what are you doing up there, car? Where did you come from? You had to have been sitting there for a while. What the hell? Well, I think I got a car behind me, so better just freaking fly. They'd be like, what the hell is this guy doing? Until I hit a snowdrift and upside down, sideways, and side to side. Hell yeah, guys. Oh, that's ice. Have a great day. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay riding in the weather. Hell yeah. Cheers, y'all.